Please keep your seatbelt fastened when the silver sign is on. However, I recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened when you are seated. Please take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at the edge of the cabin, one at the front and one at the rear of the aircraft, and are through the smoke detectors. We remind you that smoking is not permitted on board at any time, and this includes electronic cigarettes and vapes. Shortly after takeoff, we'll pass to the cabin with our bar service. Today, we have great savings and promotions. You can check all the prices in the brochure that is booked in front of you for the meal deals and the rest of the discounts. On behalf of easyjet, we would like to thank you for flying with us today and enjoy the rest of your flight.